Now this is a company-worthy pork loin. That crust, it's created with pecans, fresh herbs, honey, and mustard. And it's easy enough to make for a weeknight meal too. Let's start with the pecan crust. Begin by rinsing the herbs and allowing them to air dry while you mix the honey and mustard together in a small dish. Coat the tenderloin on all sides with the honey mustard. Set that aside while you combine the pecans and rosemary in a food processor. Just pulse it a few times. Then add garlic, salt, pepper, sage, and parsley. Now, if the herbs are wet, they're likely to make more of a paste instead of a crumbly crust mixture, so try to make sure that they're as dry as possible. Once it's all evenly chopped into small crumbs, pour about a third of it onto a plate and place the pork on top. Spoon more of the mixture on top of the tenderloin and put pressure on it to help it adhere and cover all the sides evenly. At this point, it can rest covered in the fridge for up to 24 hours before cooking it. When you're ready to bake, coat the bottom of a baking dish or sheet pan with olive oil. Place the pork in the center, drizzle with olive oil, and pop a thermometer into the middle, and in the oven it goes. This thick tenderloin took about 45 minutes to cook, but smaller ones may only take about 20. Let it rest for about 5-10 minutes before cutting and serving. And if you're lucky enough to have any leftovers, this pecan-crusted pork loin makes excellent sandwiches too. You can find this recipe for pecan-crusted pork loin at homewithshay.com. Shay Ryan, ABC Action News.